Iaka Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla Pule ke Bhoi College balatip kum ka 36 Annual College Week. Kabalas dang ha ka pratarik nai wing bala Pynkut no menta ka sngi ka khat artarik nai wing. Hapdeng ka Jingiphuh Iphing. Ha kabala jan baro ki Samla Pule jong ka neka college. Kila shim benta halaki jong ki benta. Ha ka sngi Pynkut ia ka neka Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla Pule. Uba Meral Bonds MLA ka Nokpo constituency. Ula syakot ngob ha ban long kumukong san. Haga jingdon lang UEC Beni Vice Principal ka Bhoi College, Samla Jason Lennox Nongrum President ka Bhoi College Student Union, kinong hikay, lambat ki Samla Pule jong katay ka Shlem. Ha katay ka sngi Pynkut ia katay ka Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla Pule, layoi ba ki Samla Pule ki balapan i yala ki sab ki pong, lakalong hakarway, kasyat, lambat ka Jingiphuh rang kansai bat thay bhabreu lane Miss and Mr. Bhoi bala shim benta shir ham da ki Samla Pule jong katay ka college kan thay bat shin rang. Ha ka Jingiphuh thay bhabreu bat rang kansai jong ka Bhoi College Iaka nam lado jong ka Miss Bhoi College la yora da ka Samla Joti Naklen bat Iaka nam lado Mr. Bhoi College la yora da Samla Rishan Langki Lenser. Bat ha katay ka sngi nakaliang ba Meral Bonds Ula IT ru da ki shuki bat ki jersey sya katay ka Shlam a jing start kum kadak ka jingyas no ktilang bat katay ka Shlam a jing start.
Kmi Samla kmat jumpi ba pintip syanu ban pai. Udon uklur ban lam lenti im ga kerteng sa kanam. Uklur ude ubo pernai. Stars used to shine. But star does not shine because they want to be seen. They shine because they are stars. So it is very important that each and every one of you, you have to consider yourself as a star. You may be a rock star, you may be a shining star, you may be a star in your studies, you may be a star in any part of your life. But you have to consider yourself that you are a star. As I have said, star does not shine because they want to be seen. They shine because they are a star, the original star. You would like to see students of Bhoi College? They will shine, they will be a star of Bhoi College, a star of Bhoi district to shine in days to come. At the same time, each and every student, you are the captain of your own ship that you are going to sail through from one end of the ocean to the another end.